Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button down below right now. Now, you guys were asking in the other video, there was no engine startup. I saw people on the reveal video of the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Now we're finally in it. If you didn't see that video, go ahead and check it out now to see the reveal and kind of the overview of what we got going. But we are going to go ahead and cold start it for you guys because you did want that. But I am going to go ahead and let you know and warn you, it's not good. It's not pretty. It's very quiet. My V6 is probably louder. It's quiet. It is what it is. That might be changing. Now, first mod on the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. But first, before we jump into that, we are going to go ahead and install, these quick, little sticker guys for it, because, that's always like kind of the first mod. But I'm not going to make a whole video about some vinyl stickers. So we do have something else coming. But let me go ahead and pop these on real quick now, and we'll be good to go. So real quick, if you guys have never installed any kind of vinyl on your car, like stickers, it's easy. One, spray some of this, clean the area where you're gonna put it. Grab yourself a microfiber towel, kind of clean it off pretty good. Soapy water, that's all it is. It's just, easy. Then we're gonna grab one of our little decal guys here, peel the backing off like so. Line it up where we want it and make sure it's nice and even, and of course make sure it's level, and then we can just go ahead and stick it on. I might actually need to get heat today to put this on, which is crazy because the backing is not coming off of the vinyl. Yeah, it's just gonna keep peeling it up because it's too stuck together because it's too cold. So I'm gonna have to actually use heat to put this on, which is actually crazy.
2 hours later.
After a little bit of heat, we're good to go, and yeah, let's go ahead and get on to doing the actual mod. So if anyone can explain to me why, the reason for this down here. So on a lot of the SRTs, you'll see that these have like nice pedal covers on it, but for whatever reason, I've got an SRT here and it's got standard, normal, boring pedal covers. So if anyone knows why that is, or like what the process is with that, or like what changed, or why some have it, some don't, let me know down below. But to fix that, we've of course got the nice Amazon covers. I'm not gonna do the Mopar ones right now. I don't see a need. I think the piece of shit. I don't see the need, these ones are perfectly fine. These are just the standard, like, cheap knockoff ones. I had them on the other one, it worked fine. Maybe the Mopar ones are a little bit better quality, look a little bit better, but these ones should be fine. So now we got to go through the process of installing these again. If you guys don't have these on your car, it's like a $10 or $20 mod. Little install, make it a little sportier, and they look a lot better. So we're gonna go through and install these two guys on here. I'll show you guys the process a little bit better than I did last time because my quality and everything's better. So hopefully you guys will enjoy, and like I said, if you guys haven't done this, should be a nice little cheap mod, and you should go ahead and do it. Link down in the top of the description. I think these ones are like $15 or something like that. Not bad at all. Won't break the bank, and will definitely be a nice little add-on for you guys to do. And if you guys are new to mods, this is an easy one that anyone can do. All right, so luckily this install is a very, very simple one, and pretty much anyone can do it. You can just go ahead and grab this little brake pedal cover and pull it from the back, and you guys can see it'll just do what it needs to do. It'll just come right off, hopefully. You can just peel it right off and get that little scuffed plastic out of there, or rubber, whatever that is. I don't even know anymore. And then this one doesn't even have any kind of cover on it. Okay, so that's interesting, actually. I didn't even know that was a thing, but yeah, there's like no cover on this one, so that's weird. So I wonder if I can even put the other one over it. I guess we'll find out. I do have a couple tools just in case I need them, and the first one is just going to be like a panel popper kind of tool here, just in case you need to kind of get up underneath here, because prying on that, or a flathead just for the same thing. The recommendation, especially because it's like 20 degrees out right now. It's really brick out here. It's cold, it's icy. It's not the ideal conditions to be doing this, but to put these on, you're gonna want to take a bowl or Tupperware, something of really hot water, and just submerge them in that and let them soak for a while. Not even that long, I guess. But while you're doing this, keep them in hot water. So I'm gonna go get some hot water, get the covers, and then I'll show you guys the process. I'm really not sure if we're gonna be able to get it on this one, because that one's not even a cover or anything like this, which is what I thought it was, like my other car. But yeah, I'm not even sure if we're gonna be able to do it. So stay tuned to find out if we're gonna be able to do it on the next episode of What the Am I Doing? All right, so check out my nice steamy bowl of icy, nice hot metal covers. So hopefully that will loosen up the rubber for me to get them on over here. and I'm really just curious about that one. So this is going to be a test for both of us to see if it's going to actually go on. Another thing I'm always going to recommend for this install is one of these moving blankets, just because you're going to have to kneel down here because it's going to be an uncomfortable position for you to be getting in there to get this. So they've been steaming for just a little bit here, so hopefully we can get them on. Hopefully this one can actually take a cover, because I'm a little curious now about that, like I said. So we're going to go ahead and just start with that one, because if not, then we're not going to do the other one, and we'll have to put this guy back on because there's no real point in having just one. So let's go ahead and see what happens. All right, so that one actually went on and it seems fine. I don't think it's gonna move or anything. I mean, probably shouldn't do that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And it went on a little bit too easy. It almost felt like I was cheating. I don't know. I don't know why it felt like it wasn't supposed to go on that easy. But now we got our brake one. Let's see if this one's gonna go on as easy. Probably not, because this one's a little bit thicker on the back. And we'll see, I guess. I mean, who knows? This one's definitely a lot harder than the other one is, which I knew. I mean, I've done this before, unfortunately. So I'm gonna use this little panel popper, I think, and try and get it in there.
Nice.
I think my strategy is gonna be on the back side here. You can see there's kind of a lip over here where it's like opened up a little bit more to help you bend it. I'm gonna start on the opposite corner and then kind of get this bottom part on and then kind of hook it up to there, so then I can work it around. So let's see.
11 minutes later.
So after just a little bit of playing with it, we are able to get them both on. This one went on actually so easy, which I think happened last time as well. And then this one, I just kind of started with the bottom left corner over here, hooked it on, pushed it basically from the bottom, got both of these two corners on, then this top left corner, because this one's the one where it had like the whole kind of area open on it, and then I just went across the top with this and just kind of hooked it and just pulled it like that, and it flopped right on. And then you just have to work this last side. This is gonna take a little bit of finesse, and like I said, get yourself a nice hot bowl of water or something that you can put some hot water in that's really, really hot. That'll kind of soften the plastic, or the rubber rather, and you'll be good to go. So now looking at it, you guys can see that it looks a lot more SRT like to have the sport pedals down there rather than whatever they got going on with this kind of standard Laredo looking one, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it looks a lot better, guys, and it's all set and good to go. So if anyone knows why certain models come without it and certain ones don't, like why do some have it, some don't, let me know down in the comment section below. But it's absolutely freezing out here right now, so I'm about to clean this up and go inside and get nice and toasty. That's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
I don't wanna go back, no way, no way. I ain't going broke, so I'ma stay paid. How you get money, I learned a few ways. Started just grinding to make it, I sat for a while. Think that I make it, now this the beginning, I can't see the top. I'ma keep grinding, give all that I got.